Hello everyone. Namaste. Welcome back to my channel Emotional Fitness. Today I am going to discuss about grudge and how Bach flower remedies can help us to come out of this. The heaviest thing to hold is grudge. When someone does something bad to us or wrong to us, then we start hating that person and we hold on to grudges for some time or for days or even for years. If somebody hurts us or does something wrong against us, then we are not able to tell back to them, and then we hold on to this grudge for a long time. Sometimes it may be for a day or some weeks or even months, or it may even last for years together that we hold on to grudge against them. We don't let it out, but we go on having grudge against the person who has hurt us. We get hurt by the words and actions of others. At those moments, the words pierces the mind and dwells in the heart as grudge. And this doesn't help us to have the spiritual growth, for we have been gripped by the grudge. The soul which is gripped by grudge and hurt is unable to have a spiritual growth. This resentful feeling actually burdens our heart. We are not able to do anything and we cannot even enjoy our life, for in the corner of the mind we always have a grudge against the person who has hurt us, and this in turn hurts us badly. In the Mahabharata war, Arjuna was not ready to fight, for he felt the people against whom he had to fight were his own kith and kin. And so he feels that I am not ready to fight. I want to stop this war. Lord Krishna tells that you should fight for the sake of fight and not against any grudges which is within you. You should not feel any grudge for the person who is against you, but you should fight for the cause and not holding grudges. If you fight for the cause and leave the fruits to me, then you won't have any enmity against the other person, but you are fighting for a cause because they have actually cheated you. So it is for the cause and not for a grudge which is within you. We should do the work for the sake of work and not have any enmity or grudges against the other person for whom we are fighting. A doctor does an operation to the patient to save the person, but is not having any enmity within himself. He is just doing to help the person and performs his duty. If we do the work as a duty and leave the rest to God, then this will not help be like a grudge, but it is our duty which we are doing. In such cases, it won't have any adverse reactions for our purpose. Now let's see how Bach flower remedies can help us to come out of the grudge feeling which we may be having within us. When we feel that the other person has actually betrayed us, or we are suffering because of the other person, then the Bach flower remedy willow will be of great help. It will help us to come out of this grudge, for it may be that the other person might have not have an intention to do it, but in some certain situations the things happen on its own. In such situations, if we hold on to grudge, then it will actually hinder our health and we will be at a loss. In such situations, the Bach flower remedy willow will be of great help. It will help us to come out of this resentment and bitterness which we are having within us. When our near and dear ones or somebody very close to us meets with an accident and he meets the fate and he is killed, in such situations, the people, those who are very close to him, may hold on to the grudges and feel that it is because of those people, our near and dear ones, we have been lost. In such situations, the Bach flower remedy, Star of Bethlehem, along with willow, will help us to come out of this traumatic experience and think that it is the fate which has played the role and not anyone else. The combination of Stara Bethlehem along with Willow will give us an optimistic approach to the situations. The children go away to the other places for a job or for something else, then the mother feels, see how these children have treating us, how much I have done for that people, and now they have betrayed us. In such situations, the batch flower remedy chicory along with Willow will help us to come out of this feeling. If someone cheats us and we have been betrayed, then we have a hatred towards the other person and hold on to the grudges for a long time. In such situations, the batch flower remedy holy along with Willow will help us to come out of this grudge and will make us to feel that it's okay. We have been cheated by them, but this must be due to some other reasons. So it's okay, and this will help us to let off the anger and hatred towards the other person and help us to come out of this angry feeling. If someone has cheated us and have taken away our things or our property, then we go on holding to the grudge against that person, and this keeps on repeating in our mind every time when we think of it. In such situations, the batch flower remedy honeysuckle and Willow will help us to come out of this bitterness and will help us to let go of the past, because it is not going to help us, but actually it will hinder our health, and it will help us to come out of this bitterness due to the loss. Sometimes suddenly we feel bitter and we even don't know why we are feeling like that, and it causes depression in us. We are not able to know any cause for that. In such situations, the batch flower remedy mustard along with Willow will help us to come out of this depression and lead a peaceful life. Girl marries a boy, and after some days the boy leaves her and goes away. Then this girl starts having a revengeful attitude towards the boy, and she holds on to the grudge for a long time. In such situations, the batch flower remedy oak along with Willow will help us to forgive and forget the incidents which has happened in our life and let go. It will help us to come out of the lust for revenge and let go of the person who has cheated her. Some people feel that they have been treated unjustly, and so they go on having these bitter thoughts in their mind. They suffer from total mental block. In such situations, the batch flower remedy Willow along with white chestnut will help us to come out of these repeated thoughts and lead a peaceful life. These are some of the remedies which can help us to come out of our grudge and have a peaceful life. We can come out of this grudge with the help of the batch flower remedies. If you all like this video, like, share and comment. And if you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel Emotional Fitness and click the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.